Hi to everyone. MEM School of Engineering, Department of ECE, online classes, subject linear integrated circuits, unit number 5. Objective and outcome, syllabus, textbooks, unit 5, LIC, that is waveform generators and special function ICs. In this unit, we are going to discuss about different waveform generators and the different special function ICs. So in waveform generator, we are going to discuss about sine wave and square wave, triangular, sawtooth, and different function generators. Like that, we are going to discuss. In the special function ICs, we are going to discuss about 555 timer, IC723, then switched capacitor filter MF10, then frequency to voltage converter, then audio power amplifier, video amplifier, isolation amplifier, and optocouplers. Like that, we are going to discuss in this chapter. So in this chapter 1, we are going to see about the sine wave generator. Okay, how to generate the sine wave with the app. Okay, so we have two type of oscillator we are going to see in this chapter. That is RC phase shift oscillator and Wien bridge oscillator. RC phase shift oscillator basically consists of an amplifier and a feedback network consists of resistor and capacitor arranged in ladder fashion. To understand the operation of this oscillator, let us study RC circuit first. First, we need to know what is RC circuit. We need to know which is used in the feedback network of this oscillator. Okay, this is the model we have RC network. So the capacitor connected in the serial resistor connected in the parallel circuit, which is produced for the 60-degree phase shift of this signal. The capacitors C and resistor are in the series. Now Xc is the capacitance reactance in ohms given by X is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi Fc. The total impedance of the circuit is Z is equal to R minus J omega Xc. J is equal to R minus J omega Xc. So the RMS value of the input voltage applied is say VI volts. Hence, the current is given by I is equal to VI of 0 degree. Then total impedance Z is equal to root of R square plus X square. Phi phase is equal to tan inverse of Xc divided by R. So this is the RC phase shift oscillator. Vc is dependent on the IC into X. So now see the feedback circuit. The RC network is used in the feedback path. In the earlier oscillator, the feedback network must be introduced to phase shift of 180 degree to obtain the total phase shift around of 360 degree. Thus, if one RC network produces 60 degree, then to produce the phase shift of 180 degree, we need to cascade the RC network. Hence, the RC phase shift oscillator, the feedback network consists of 3 RC sections. Each section produces a phase shift of 60 degree. The total phase shift due to feedback is 180 degree. Such a feedback network is shown. The network is also called the ladder network. So all resistance values and all the capacitance values are the same. So that for particular frequency, each of the section R and C produces a phase shift of 60 degree. RC phase shift oscillator using op-amp uses an op-amp in inverting amplifier. So thus it introduces the phase shift of 180 degree between the input and output. The feedback network consists of 3 RC sections, each producing 60 phase shift. Such an RC phase shift oscillator using op-amp. The output of the amplifier is given to the feedback network. The output of the feedback network drives the amplifier. The total phase shift around the loop is 180 degree and the 180 degree due to the 3 RC section. So that total 360 degree. This satisfies the required condition for positive feedback and the circuit work as oscillator. So this is the RC phase shift oscillator using operational amplifier. So by applying KVL in the various loop, we can get the normalized output in the matrix form. So using Cramer's laws, we obtain the value of frequency, that is f is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi RC root of 6. This is a frequency was generated by the particular RC phase shift cycle. So the R and C value will be define the frequency of the output sine waveform. These oscillators are used over the audio frequency range about 20 Hz to 100 kHz. So advantages is the circuit is simple to design, can produce output over the audio frequency range. So produce sinusoidal output waveform. It is a fixed frequency oscillator. So disadvantage, by changing the value of R and C, the frequency of the oscillator can be changed. But the value of R and C of all three sections must be changed simultaneously to satisfy the oscillating condition. But this is practically impossible. Hence, the passive oscillator considers the fixed frequency oscillator for all practical purposes. The Wien bridge oscillator is another sine wave oscillator, which is also called because the circuit is based on the frequency selective form of the Wheatstone bridge circuit. The Wien bridge oscillator is a two-stage RC coupled amplifier circuit that has good ability and is resonant frequency. So low distortion and is very easy to tune, making it popular circuit as a audio amplifier. Oscillator, but the phase shift of the output signal is considerably different from the previous phase shift oscillator. Okay. So F is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi RC, where FR is the resonant frequency in Hertz, R is the resistance in ohm, C is the capacitance in farads. Wien bridge oscillator example. So to determine the maximum and minimum frequency of oscillation of a Wien bridge oscillator, circuit having a resistor of 10 kilo ohm and a variable capacitor of 1 nanofarad to 1000 nanofarad. So FR is equal to 1 divided by 2 by RC. The Wien bridge oscillator lowest frequency of minimum is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi 10k 1000 into 10 to the power minus 9 is equal to 15.9 Hz. So Wien bridge oscillator highest frequency F max is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi 10k into 10 to the power minus 9 is equal to 15.915 Hz. So these are the functions of Wien bridge oscillator. So this is the difference between RC phase shift and Wien bridge oscillator. So in RC phase shift, the feedback network of RC phase shift oscillator consists of R network with 3 RC sections. Here, feedback is lead lag network. In RC phase shift, introduced by the feedback of 180 degree. In Wien bridge, the feedback network does not introduce any feedback, phase shift. The phase shift introduced by the op-amp in the circuit is 180 degree. The op-amp in the circuit does not introduce any phase shift because here we are connecting to the non-inverting terminal. The op-amp is used in the inverting mode. The op-amp is used in the non-inverting mode. The oscillator frequency is F0 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root 6 into RC. The oscillation frequency is F is equal to F0 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi RC. The amplifier condition, gain condition is greater than 29. Here amplifier gain condition will be greater than 3. Okay, this is a sine wave generator. Okay, these are two types of, we have more number of oscillators, that is Colbit oscillator, clap oscillator, like that we have. Okay, here we only discussed RC phase shift and Wien bridge using the amp. Okay, thank you. So next class we will see the square wave generator and the rectangular wave generator and the triangular wave and sawtooth wave generator, like that we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.